Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. And now, today's event. World Conjoined Twins Day theme. Cheers to 50 years, together, we thrive. What if the most extraordinary kind of togetherness was not a choice, but a gift of life? Conjoined twins remind us that true strength can come in pairs. Some children are born sharing a body, but each has their own dreams, hopes, and heart. Their journey is rare, but their courage speaks to all of us. Stay tuned as we hear stories of survival, love, and unity from around the world. Two hearts, one hope, supporting every journey. If you believe in empathy, inclusion, and celebrating every unique journey, share this video to honor the strength and resilience of conjoined twins around the world. About World Conjoined Twins Day. World Conjoined Twins Day is a global observance dedicated to raising awareness, support, and understanding for people born as conjoined twins. In 1975, the United Nations officially recognized World Conjoined Twins Day to raise awareness, offer support, and celebrate the incredible lives of conjoined twins around the globe. Now in 2025, we say cheers to 50 years of breakthroughs in medical science, community inclusion, and global advocacy. The General Assembly decided to proclaim the 24th of November as World Conjoined Twins Day. The Assembly emphasized the need to address the condition of conjoined twins. The day is marked by health organizations, families, and advocates around the world. It reminds us that every life matters, no matter how rare or complex. Through this day, we celebrate medical advances, community support, and the power of love and unity. Why this day matters for society and nation building. Conjoined twins are one of the rarest medical conditions, yet they show us some of the deepest truths about being human. Their lives depend not only on advanced care, but also on acceptance, compassion, and long-term support. When a nation invests in their care, it proves its commitment to healthcare, human dignity, and inclusion. These children, whether separated or not, can live full lives when given the chance. Supporting them builds stronger healthcare systems and a more compassionate society. Just a quick break. Please, if you are gaining something from this and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more inspiring global events. Subscription is absolutely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Welcome back. Now, stories of impact. Testimony 1. Amelia and Grace Porter, conjoined twins from Canada, were joined at the spine and shared several vital organs. Their parents were told they might not live past infancy. Today, at age 19, they are authors, disability rights advocates, and student leaders. People used to look at us with pity, says Grace. Now they look at us with respect. Our bond gave us the power to change how people see difference, adds Amelia. They've spoken at the United Nations and helped change how schools in Ontario accommodate physical disabilities. Testimony 2. Samuel and David Okoro, conjoined twins from Nigeria, were separated at age 4 through a public health campaign funded by both local and international donors. Their story went viral and inspired a movement in Africa for better pediatric surgery. We now work in tech, says David, now 24. We want to build platforms that connect people in rural hospitals to the best doctors in the world. Our lives were saved because someone cared, says Samuel. Now it's our turn to give back. Their non-profit now helps sponsor surgeries for other children born with rare conditions across West Africa. Thank you to the unsung heroes. We thank the doctors, nurses, researchers, counselors, parents, and caregivers who work around the clock to support these children. You go beyond the medical. You give hope, comfort, and strength. Your work is often quiet, but it changes lives and inspires the world. A call to action. To healthcare leaders, policymakers, and communities, your role is vital. From early diagnosis to family counseling and safe surgeries, every part of the journey matters. Let us fund hospitals, share knowledge, and provide inclusive care. Let us build a world where no child is left behind because of how they were born. Happy World Conjoined Twins Day. Here's to 50 years of courage and connection. And here's to the next 50, stronger, braver, and more united than ever. Together, let's celebrate every life, support every journey, and stand for love, care, and unity. Two hearts, one hope. Let's raise our glasses to honor the unsung heroes, the doctors, nurses, researchers, counselors, parents, and caregivers of Ray work around the clock to support these children and give hope, comfort, and strength. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Ray. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next today. The 25th of November, International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women. The 26th of November, World Sustainable Transport Day. The 29th of November, International Day of Solidarity with the Palestinian people. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.